back here at the storage sheds. Gonna do my low level.
0 feet altitude, 0 feet distance, 8 miles per hour, 100% battery.
Focus. Go. One of the gates is partially open. I don't know if there's someone there. Kind of weird, the second gate. Don't know. When I drove by, I could see it.
125 feet altitude, 464 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 96% battery.
I made this a little bit longer because I had plenty of time. It was finishing the mission at like 52% battery, so I'm like, well, I can go a little further. Just gotta watch the crane back there. It's moving again. Be nice if they updated Google Maps, because you can't tell where this building is on the when you're plotting the missions out.
"78 feet altitude, 465 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 93% battery."
Looks good. What is it? Sunday afternoon, 2:15. We got winter weather advisories coming in tonight, so I wanted to get this in. I was looking online how to bleep out bad language, so every time I say f***, I'm gonna bleep it. I'm gonna f***ing bleep it.
43 feet altitude, 1,237 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 89% battery.
Yeah, I definitely got to keep a close eye on this crane, because I don't know if it's any parts of the mission. Oh, doesn't look like it. But I can't tell where the crane is in space. Yeah, I figure I'd go over to the cemetery after this and get a change of view. This change of scenery. Everybody's sick of looking at this one. But it's my photojournal record.
29 feet altitude, 2,031 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 85% battery.
This is the perfect day that, for me, for flying that I like. Overcast, no wind. Got a lot more wall up. I found a brochure online from the developer
29
here.
feet altitude, 2,355 feet distance, 9 miles
I actually
per hour,
downloaded a PDF with a little bit of information. Maybe I'll stick it in the end of the video so you can see it. But they call the walls, I think it's a tilt wall installation. You gotta find out what that means. Tilt the wall. I guess you tilt it in and screw it down. I don't know. I'm not going to pretend I know. It's about 40 degrees.
.29 feet altitude, 1902 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 77% battery.
So I'll head over to the cemetery after this one, maybe do a low level. See if I find any hood rats running around. Change the scenery. Haven't been over there in a while. Snow's all pretty much melted, so it's been raining a lot. We got a winter advisory. Today's Sunday. It's going to start about 5 and last until Tuesday night. Tuesday afternoon.
48 feet altitude, 1,528 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 73% battery.
Calling for rain, but I wouldn't be surprised if we got snow here. They probably got more roof up.
.50 feet altitude, 919 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 69% battery.
See, they're putting rails up. I don't know if that's going to be there after they're done, or if it's just like maybe scaffolding for safety. I don't know. I'm not going to pretend I know anything.
Feet altitude, 1,518 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 66% battery.
Massive. Eventually, just about every product you can think of will be in there inside this building. I like to fly with the camera pointing in different angles, but other than straight, but I don't know.
49 feet altitude, 2007 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 62% battery.
I just extended the flying time down there. So I'm not exactly sure where it's going to go, so I have to keep an eye on it going forward. Otherwise, I would do that. This mission ends. Well, it says it's supposed to be 20 minutes, so I think it'll be a little quicker than that. Then he goes to 300 feet, and it ends at the spot that I take the stills at. So hopefully I'll have enough juice left over to do that and get back. Probably will. There's no wind.
49 feet altitude, 1,211 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 58% battery.
No vibration in the camera yet. That's been plaguing me. I calibrated the gimbal twice before I left. And they also tuned the sensors on the computer. So we'll see. I really don't want to have to send this freaking back. Lots of trucks around here. It's a truck route. It's going to go up to the road, then turn back.
50 feet altitude, 855 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 54% battery.
You don't want to get near those wires, so that's good. Wonder what all that is. Roofing material?
$50 feet altitude, 1,320 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 50% battery.
Alright, it looks like now we're going to rise up. Go to the corner. I got a lot of battery left. Still. Someone just pulled in here with some noisy f***ing kids.
227 feet altitude, 1,845 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 45% battery.
It's only 14 minutes. The mission time says it's supposed to take 20. It's not even close. It's at 300 feet now. There goes the f***ing shaking again.
300 feet altitude. 1,784 feet distance. 9 miles per hour. 41% battery.
Jesus Christ. God, pisses me off. Brand new f***ing drone is doing this shit. Not even 6 weeks later. It's just design.
Mission ended.
Get my stills from this shot.
299 feet altitude.
Pick the one
1,419
that
feet distance.
looks
0
about the
miles
best.
per hour. 37% battery.
Okay. Fucking kids are loud over there. Jesus. Playing country music over there.
51 feet altitude. 1,085 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 33% battery.
Try to figure out what's in them bundles. I can lose signal right here.
Warning, disconnected. "20 feet altitude. 1,212 feet distance. 2 miles per hour. 27% battery."
So I had to do return home to get it to climb. Picked the signal up and came back. Jesus,
Warning,
loud.
aircraft battery at 25%.
They're playing country music too. Good, I think they were leaving. Goodbye.
Warning, aircraft battery at 23%. 63 feet altitude. 640 feet distance. 11 miles per hour. 23% battery.
Come back in a minute. I'm gonna sneak in because there's people over there. I like a drone. Let's go chase it.
Warning, aircraft battery at 21%.
There he is.
Warning, aircraft battery at 19%. 16 feet altitude. 12 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 19% battery. Aircraft battery at 16%.
Got that in nice and stealth. Those kids didn't see it. Alright, so yeah, that went really well. I'm going to head over to the cemetery just to get a flight in over there because I haven't been there in a while. See what's going on. See if the hood rats are out. D-dub out.